Welcome to our channel where activating your new Capital One debit card is easier than ever. Welcome to our channel where activating your new Capital One debit card is easier than ever. If you just received your Capital One debit card and are wondering how to get started, you're in the right place. Activating your card is a quick process that you can complete in just a few simple steps. First, make sure your card has arrived safely and check that the name and account details match your information. Next, you can activate your card through one of three main methods. The first method is by phone. Call the activation number provided on the sticker attached to your card. When you call, be ready to enter your card number, the 3-digit security code on the back, and any other authentication details requested. The automated system will guide you through the process quickly, so your card is activated almost immediately. The second method is through the Capital One mobile app. If you don't have the app installed, download it from your phone's app store. Once logged in, locate the debit card activation section, enter your card details, and follow any on-screen instructions. The app method is convenient and lets you manage your card settings in the same place. The third option is to activate your card online by visiting the Capital One website. Log into your account, find the debit card activation area, and enter the required details just like the app method. Remember, activating your card prior to use ensures that your transactions will be processed smoothly and securely. If you run into any issues, Capital One customer service is available 24/7 to assist you with your activation or any other questions you may have. Keep your card and personal information safe during the process and never share your full PIN or password. Once you have activated your card, you will be ready to enjoy all the benefits that come with it, including easy access to your funds, secure purchases, and convenient cash withdrawals. This straightforward activation can be done from the comfort of your home or anywhere with internet or phone access. Now that you know how to activate your Capital One debit card with simple step-by-step methods, you can complete this task hassle-free. Don't forget to keep your card handy when activating and always verify your account information before starting. Thank you for watching and learning with us. Stay safe and enjoy your financial journey.